Everybody's so mad because everybody sees a gun. I want a gun.
Yeah, give me my gun then.
Where are you putting the door? Alex!
Right there.
What?
The first person shooter has started. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. The bank has been robbed.
How is the bank doing? This is unacceptable. There's no money here. Must have gotten robbed. There's never that little money in the bank. There's nothing. We gotta track down this robber and kill all of them. There's much more than one, I know it. When people rob a bank, they don't just go in one because they need more to secure the money. Because they know the police is coming.
So how are we gonna divide this money? So I'll take you take two.
Yeah.
No, I'll take three, you take one, because I actually robbed it.
Yeah.
So I have more money, you take two. Okay.
Oh, robbers. He died.
I don't think he's dead yet. We gotta call up another officer because I know there's more than just that one William guy. Yep. The reason why I think there's more than one officer is because I've never seen a bank robbery this big, and they've all failed. It's been 50 tries. It's all been through my life. One a year. I've been a police officer for 50 years, and this one I know is
50 years.
50 years. And
Wow, how old are you?
I'm 65 years old. I've been since I'm 15, and I know that they're not just gonna come in with another 50 first try. They got caught. One, two guys.
I think I see the robber back there. Okay, there's one.
I know there's more because they're not just gonna attempt this one. They're just
So what are you gonna do?
Lazy. I know they're gonna come.
What are you gonna do then?
Big. We need to call in Officer Jason.
Coleman.
Officer Jason, ready to go. Let's go. Thank you.
Okay, gun shop. So,
What do you like?
I like that Recon MK2 pistol.
okay.
It costs $1,000.
Alright, there you go.
Any attachments?
Just a barrel. Yeah, just a clip, thanks.
Thank you for coming.
We need to pick up our money because we need to go buy some gear to kill these bad guys. We each have $1,500.
Do they say what you like?
Yep.
What do you guys like?
Could I please have the Flip Fury?
Okay. It costs $1,000.
Here you go.
Okay. And here you go.
Thank you. I would like that sword.
500.
Okay. Here you go. It's a bit cheaper than the
Yeah.
Officer J got. And I'll take a recon.
Oh, I'm sorry. There is no recon.
I have a question. There's not many people here that come to the store other than policemen. Do you have an idea who that was or what he was wanted to do with that recon?
Oh yeah, I had a picture of him.
Okay.
It's this.
Okay. That's good to know.
Is that the terminal you're looking for?
We can't share that with you right now because it's a police thing. It's something I have to share with these people. We can just tell you once we catch it.
Okay.
Catch who it is. It might not be him, but we just got to discuss. Officer J, That's good to know. He just geared up with a recon. William just geared up with a recon. Like the bad guy, the robber who stole the bank is William. He just geared up with a recon. So now we know he's armed and dangerous. This is not good.
I'm Joseph, and I'm Andrew's twin brother.
What are you? What's your job?
What's my job? I'm a killer. Just kidding. I'm a salesperson now.
Oliver, I'm gonna take a break, so Andrew's gonna replace you.
I'm selling those too, right?
Okay. No. Oh, sorry, Oliver. It was actually Joseph, Andrew's twin brother. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, because you might get offended because...
No. I'm selling them. No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
I want all the money.
Do you want some money too?
Yeah.
So let's share it with Ollie.
How much are those freezies?
$500.
Wow.
There you go. I like the white one.
Okay. And here's the scissors.
Thank you. There you go. And I will be going now. Those are very overpriced.
Oh, we're hot. We need freezies. Let's go buy them. I don't care how much money they are.
Hello. How much are those freezies?
We don't care, but we just need to know because we need to give you money. $100, okay. A little bit overpriced it sounds, but we're still going to do it. 2 of those, please.
I'll have
Purple, and then red. Yep, that's good. Thank you. And scissors, please. Do you have any scissors?
Yep.
Thank you. I'll go first. Okay.
I don't have a gun.
I'll take the garbage. Whoops.
You're cutting that thing.
Whoops, sorry. Can you give me the garbage? Thank you. You're very generous. Very good employees. You too. Thank you. Police department. Let's head out to this police department here. You can take that pistol. I already have a pistol. We want CGB gear. We gotta go snipe down that William guy.
I'll need an extra.
You know his name? How do you know it?
Because I think I don't know exactly. I think. Now I remember. 10 years ago, do you know how I said there were 50? 10 years ago, this is the guy who caused us the most trouble. 10 years ago, this was like the biggest attempt, but he still failed. He didn't get shot, but 10 years ago, he made the biggest attempt, and he gave us a bit of a run. And I remember his name was William. On one of our, we found a clue that his name was William, and I recognized him. So. Now, recognize him in that little picture.
I can tell you do science.
Yeah, I recognized him in that little picture that the
Be quiet, everyone.
that the salesman showed us.
Yeah, just excuse those annoyance people over there. Yeah, he's just trying to sell us some stuff. Look at him. Don't damage that. Okay, whatever. You can damage it if you want. It's your merchandise. You just stop trying to sell us stuff. We're not going to buy more.
I want people to sell. I just want people to sell.
You want people to buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my gun. Let's go.
Yep, let's go. Wait right here. We gotta make up a strategy. I think he may have gone over there.
Where do you think he went?
I said he went over there. I think that's where he went. I think that.
Hey! Oh, darn it. Dave, are you okay?
I'm gonna die. Just make sure you catch the bad guy.
Darn it, the door's locked.
Need help. Oh boy. Yes, sir. I know. Alex, you can do it. Yes, I
Alex, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, meet me at the police headquarters in 20 minutes.
Okay, be there.
Thanks.
Hi. What do you need me for?
Yes. You know about that villain?
Yeah, that villain thing?
Yeah.
That I gave
He just
him
killed one of the officers.
Oh! Which one was it?
Officer Dave.
Oh, yeah, I know him. Good guy.
I need your help.
What?
We need to hunt down that guy.
Okay, I'll do it.
Thanks.
That feels good killing.
Let's start. Oh, a jam. Oh, he shot.
Secret detective officer, come into the kill.
He's dead. They finally killed the robber.
Woo! And
Are they looking for the money?
I'll check all the money.
take all that money. Okay. Man, this is a really bad killer. $4,000 store. Man, that was a lot.
Now let's party with his money. And obviously, first ask the bank.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. This is technically... Is that a first-person shooter? Is it?
No.
It's not really a first-person shooter.
I don't
but
think so.
We are going to call it one. So please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and as always...
Stay best.
3, 2, 1. Stay blasting, Google!